In this video, I will be reviewing my Brother QL-820NWB label printer. I'll share with you the positive side of this unit and also the not so positive. So let's start with the good stuff. Well, first thing, if we turn around the printer, you're going to notice that it comes with many different ports. An Ethernet port, USB ports, and also a power port. So if you don't want to rely on the Wi-Fi to connect this device to your computer or smartphone, you can use Bluetooth, or you can use the printer connected directly to your internet router, or you can connect it directly using a USB cable. So there is many different options on how to connect this device. Second thing that I liked is this display over here. It has enough pixel to display very clearly the menu, and everything is, well, very well labeled. I know, the pun intended, but I didn't have any issue setting up the printer. Connecting it to a internet network is easy. You simply have to go over here, turn it on, search for your Wi-Fi network and connect to it. Setting up will take under 5 minutes, which is great. Another thing that I appreciate is the fact that it's compatible with many different size of labels. As you see, these are a few of them, and in the box it came included with 2 models. So we have over here the 62 millimeters by 5 meters. This paper is black and red, which means that if your label has some red on it, well, it will get printed. And it also came with this other paper roll that is 29 millimeters by 90.3 millimeters. This is only black. This is only able to print in black color. Another thing that I appreciate is the print quality. For a label printer, I don't have any complaints. Everything is sharp and there's no strange lines, nothing out of the ordinary. Over here we have some very thin text and it printed it nicely. And finally, my last positive is the fact that I really enjoyed using the Brother app on my smartphone. Printing a label, even if you don't have any experience, can be done in less than 5 minutes since it came with so many different templates. Even if you're using a computer, for example, the P-Touch software has the same templates that you can edit so it fits your needs without any experience. But now you probably wonder, what are the downside of this unit? Well, first of all, although the printer itself is not very large, it's not so portable because it came with this really huge power brick. This power brick weighs maybe less than the printer, but it's quite heavy, and transporting the printer will require you to have it all the time with you. It would have been nice for the printer to be connected using power from a USB cable instead, a USB Type-C like many modern devices are doing. Another thing that could be improved is the fact that the red color only prints on certain papers. If we check all the compatible papers, only a few of them have this feature. It would have been nice that all the different sizes are able to print in red and black, but unfortunately you'll be limited to only 2. But overall, do I recommend this label printer? Well, in my opinion, yes. Even if you never used one, it won't be difficult to learn. I have made separate videos on how you can set it up depending which device you're using. And under 5 minutes, under 8 or 10 minutes, you'll be ready to print and get the result you want. So I really like the learning curve. I think anyone can use it. The results are great. And although the price of the original Brother paper roll could be a bit expensive in my opinion, there's many third-party options, especially on Amazon, and I will put links down below if you want to check them out. If you want to get this printer from Amazon, again, check my link because I get a very small commission if you do so. See you in the next video and don't forget to leave a comment.